So there was a woman who was a dancer who ended up receiving the heart and lungs of an 18-year-old boy who had passed away in a motorcycle accident. And very, very soon after this, she started to crave things like beer, chicken nuggets, green peppers, things that she normally disliked. She also started to have very vivid dreams about a guy by the name of Tim. Later on, she ended up learning that this was her donor. And later when she met his family, they were able to confirm that those were his favorite foods. In another case, there was an 8-year-old girl who ended up receiving the heart of a 10-year-old girl who was a murder victim. While she was recovering, she was having horrific nightmares about a man attacking her. These dreams were so vivid that her mother actually took her to a psychiatrist, and allegedly the psychiatrist started to work with the police, and eventually this led to this guy's arrest. There's another case of a 47-year-old woman who ended up receiving the heart of a 25-year-old man. She had been vegetarian like her whole life, and literally after the transplant, she started craving everything that he liked. Junk food, beer, meat, and there are so many more cases of people saying that they have experienced cravings, memories, etc. from people who they've received an organ from. There's a whole theory as to why this might occur, and it's called cellular memory theory, but traditionally the brain was thought to be the sole keeper of personality, of memories, but people who have researched the nervous system have realized that our organs have entire networks within them. For example, our hearts have like 40,000 or something neurons in them. For lack of my own understanding, they're like mini brains. The gut also produces serotonin, dopamine, other neurochemicals, which can impact personality, mood, behavior. So it's been proposed that these chemical patterns, DNA, potentially stay in our organs, and whenever they're donated over to someone else, that individual might take on a part of our identity. Hopefully that makes sense. This is all just theoretical, and a lot of scientists have said that this is placebo or side effects from medications, but the amount of times that something like this has happened is definitely enough to question it.